Making booking website in Squarespace is very easy to do. Today I am going to show you how to do it. Let's start the process. Open the Squarespace website in Google Chrome. There are many pages on the left sidebar, as you can see. There is a website selling marketing contacts, analytics, scheduling, assets library, and settings, and so on. In the middle, my website is open with the home page. Its pages are services, gallery, information, and scheduling a shot day. Here we can add more pages. Click on the Edit button to edit the site. Click on the heading to change the heading background. We can bold and italicize the heading. With this process, we can change and edit the entire site. Now, go back to the home page and click on the scheduling page to create a booking website. The scheduling page will open. It will create a booking site according to our work. It has a calendar to schedule and manage tasks. Let's do it. First, create the appointment type. Enter the type of booking, like I have entered consulting. Then enter the duration in minutes for the booking appointment. After this, add the price of your session. Scroll down and click the Create Appointment Type button. After this, move to the next task and check your availability. Since the time zone is already selected to design your scheduling or booking page, design the appearance. Select the time frame, whether it's a week or a month. Then type the name of your site. Select the company. You can add a logo and indicate whether your week starts with Monday or Sunday. Here, you can also change the time zone, language, font size, and then click Save. On the right sidebar, you can see a preview of your booking. After this, click on the Scheduling Page Options page. There are many options like showing scheduling for other appointments, hiding other times, providing a phone number, and many other options. Choose according to your needs and save changes. After this, you can use additional CSS to further customize the design. And it's done. In this way, we can make booking website in Squarespace.